Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you are seeing an error message like the recycle bin is corrupted, do you want to input the recycle bin for this drive, or your recycle bin is not opening, not deleting files, or showing a strange behavior? Don't worry, in today's video I will show you how to reset the recycle bin in Windows 11 or Windows 10 and fix the corruption error quickly. This method is safe, simple and works in just a few seconds. To fix this issue, first click on the start button, then type cmd. In the search results, right click on this command prompt and select here run as administrator option. When user account control prompts, click on the yes button. Now you need to type rd a space /s a space /q a space drive letter in for example c colon slash dollar recycle dot bin. After that, press enter on the keyboard. You need to repeat this one command in case you have more than C drive. Suppose you have D drive, then you will replace this one C with D and issue this one same command. What this command does is delete the corrupted recycle bin folder from your system drive. Don't worry, Windows will automatically create a new and fresh recycle bin after restart. Once this one command will be completed, you can close the command prompt. Now restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, Windows will automatically recreate a new recycle bin and the corruption error should be gone. This is the easiest way to fix a corrupted recycle bin in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more helpful Windows tips and fixes. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.